if the content is so precise and so concise and at the same time covers almost all topics. And the lectures are extremely concept oriented. So I won't have to go back to the lectures again and again. I could just review all the the PPTs on the app and the notes that I made from the lectures. It was extremely helpful.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Apoorva Modi Malik for scoring AML rank 1 in MCh Pediatric Surgery. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Doctor, it's wonderful and great achievement, and it's really amazing that to see you today and your busy schedule. Thanks for sharing your time to share your valuable experiences with us.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Doctor, can you briefly introduce yourself, that where you started from till date, what all you have accomplished?
Sorry?
You can give a brief history about yourself, what all you have done, and till date, what all you have accomplished.
I'm Dr. Apoorva Modi Malik. I've done my MBBS from Jabalpur Government College, and then my DNB General Surgery from Manipal Hospital, Bangalore. I took a break for 6 months, and then I started preparing for NEET Pediatric Surgery. I wrote once in November 25 session also, when I scored a rank of AML 20. And I wanted to prepare again. And in this session, I got an AML of 1. I actually prepared mainly for the last 3 months before the exam.
Doctor, can we know what all you did in the last 3 months?
So I divided my time between general surgery and pediatric surgery and focused more on general surgery in the first 30 to 40 days. I watched all of those integrated sessions that you've put, sir, and that actually really speed up the whole process of covering, and I was able to cover a lot of section in that. Then I focused more on pediatric surgery. I watched the lectures. I made notes of the topics that I would keep forgetting. I did that with general surgery also. I ended up with having a small notebook with all factual information that I would forget more easily, and I revised that towards the end of the exam. And in the last 20 days, I think all I did was do the GTs, practice topics from the tests that were there. And I think I kept doing question and answers a lot in the last, I think 15 days, I did not pick up theory at all. I was just doing questions, reading those segments and answers, and that's it.
Great, great, great. Doctor, number of questions you attended in the exam?
I attempted 78 questions, sir, and I think the last few weeks of practice helped me finish the paper. I think I finished in 40 to 50 minutes, all 80 questions.
Great. Doctor, your experience with speed, what did you experience with speed, and from 20 to rank number 1, and what way it was supporting you and helping you?
So if the content is so precise and so concise and at the same time covers almost all topics, and the lectures are extremely concept oriented. Once I understand the concept, I won't forget it. So I won't have to go back to the lectures again and again. I could just review all the the PPTs on the app and the notes that I made from the lectures. It was extremely helpful.
Great, Doctor. Thanks for the wonderful words. The speed team will be very, very happy to listening to this. So, what will be a message for the future aspirants of MCh Pediatric Surgery you want to say?
Please go for it. If you want something, just keep going and keep going for it. There is a lot of buzz around pediatric surgery and people telling you there's not enough money or there's not enough work and all kinds of things. But I don't know. People should just push towards their dreams. If you want it, just go get it. It's very much achievable.
Fantastic, fantastic. Now, your interest towards pediatric surgery started when? What is the inspiration behind that?
Sir, I had some wonderful teachers even during my MBBS. And that's when it started. But once I worked in pediatric surgery during my residency, it sort of affirmed the initial interest that was already there. I loved the work. the range of cases that we see, and the feeling that I can make a difference at such an early age for a patient. I think that's why I went ahead and chose this.
So the most important point is you need to do what you like and like the most. And I think that's what you have done. And you have done it in an amazing way because even 20th rank would have got a seat in last NEET exam. I mean, last
Yes, I
exam.
would have gotten something.
But you wanted to do it in AIMS New Delhi. And now, right now, today, will you be doing it in AIMS New Delhi right now?
No, I would love to go for PGI Chandigarh.
PGI. So now rank one has a choice to choose what you want. There is a beauty of this rank. So now I want to ask you this question. I mean, when you are getting rank number one, were you preparing for rank number one and you knew that you'll be getting rank number one, or it's after the results is a news to you?
I really did not think this is rank number one. I just wanted a better rank than last time, so I would have the choices that I wanted. Like I would have more choices. That was my only, I think, interest in. But while doing it, one thing, I love the subject too much, so I was really enjoying the preparation part. People say all sorts of things about you should sacrifice this and sacrifice that, but I was working, I was reading, I don't think I changed much about my life anyway. But the subject itself was so interesting. I would spend like 3 or 4 hours in a day, but I'd just do it regularly, and in those 3 or 4 hours I'll be extremely focused. And then once I'm done with the day targets, I'll actually close my books and relax.
Okay. Good, 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 good. Great, doctor. Now, time to thank and whom all you wish to thank that they stood by you, helped you to achieve what you are today. You can use the platform to thank everybody.
I think the first thanks goes to the teachers. It goes to you. I actually picked Jagdish sir's brains also during the mock interview as to what I should choose and how I should go about it. Extremely helpful team. All the teachers were wonderful. My family also, because they've been extremely supportive through this whole thing. I know there would be times when I would doubt myself and they'll tell me, no, I know you can't do this. You've done it before. You'll do it again and you'll do it better. I think I'm extremely blessed with lovely people around me, and I've been blessed with very good teachers throughout. Even the consultants during my residency, the ones I'm working with right now, extremely supportive, very encouraging teachers I've had, sir.
Very nice, very nice, excellent, and full of gratitude, full of heartfulness, and a lot of passion towards MCH pediatric surgery. We once again wish you all the very best and all the success for a
Thank you.
great and amazing and a wonderful career as an MCH pediatric surgeon. Best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.